Good morning and welcome to today's vlog. My dad just called me and said he's down at Samphire Hoe. Today is a very windy day, but it's a place down the road in Dover called Samphire Hoe, which is a man-made bit of land from all the waste from the Eurotunnel. There's a big container ship that's got caught up in the strong winds and actually breached himself and is actually sinking. So the lifeboats are all there. I cancelled this morning's editing of vlogs. Got to Samphire Hoe now, but as I said, when there's something like this happening, the word spreads quite quickly on social media. So because this is a good viewing point for what's happening regarding this ship getting stuck, there's lots of people here. I'm actually in a queue of 5 people at the moment waiting, 5 cars waiting to go in.
Yes, I am the rose of the Sharon.
It's really windy. Just behind me here. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm glad I got the muff on my microphone. Right, we're going to go and see if we can see what's happening. Oh no, we're going. I need fence. As you can see, it's ridiculously windy. I can't even stand still. The wave's still crashing. I'm back now. I'm now back in my car. Absolutely freezing, and the wind is unbelievably strong out there. I tried to get the best footage I can. Hopefully it was all right. So I'm going to leave here now. I went to pop to my sister's. Gonna grab something to eat and try to warm my hands up. I shall see you at Hannah's.
As a rose among thorns, I was swept.
Always open.
Eye mask.
Cold. Too cold.
I've tried to order it. Oh, it's like a restaurant.
The winning team will be rewarded with a trip to the jungle.
Looks good. Yeah, feed rabbits.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Put one in there then. One in there.
Yeah, one. No.
Just it.
Yes, I am an apple among worms, so beloved among branches, mice.
Oh, you okay? You're alright. You bounce. Bye, Eddie. Bye. Bye. Eddie! Bye, Eddie. Bye. Bye, Eddie. Bye.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say goodbye.
B. Bye.
Come on, we need to get dressed.
Bye, Eddie. Why should you not say bye?
Say goodbye to Matt.
Bye.
Say goodbye to Matt. He's going. Goodbye.
Bye, Eddie. B. Yay. I need to go to the supermarket and buy normal boring stuff like hand soap and toothpaste. I'm going to go into Sainsbury's now and buy myself some really boring shopping. Turns out I'm not doing my shopping here at Sainsbury's. Basically I've left my wallet at home, so I was going to use Android Pay through my phone, but Sainsbury's and Deal don't accept that yet. Co-op does accept Android Pay, so I've got no excuse to actually do some shopping. So all I need to get rid of is really boring stuff like hand soap, toothpaste, deodorant. But you know what I'm like at shopping, I can't find anything. I can't really leave here just for stuff I need. I'm probably going to have to find something I don't need, but I'm going to buy anyway. Today's pointless buys were Orange Club biscuits and a 4-pack of AAA energised batteries, neither of which I need.
Shadows of grace till lights and sang to the rising of the
Now Dennis's, that cutaway you just watched of me drive through that puddle took quite a lot of organising. Basically I had to get someone to stand there and look after the camera. I filmed it and then had to go around, turn around and then go back and drive through it and then stop and cover the camera. Yeah, but I think it looked good, it's worthwhile. Could be a while. I'll speed this bit up. Go. Alright. Right, still on Dennis's. We're playing Destruction Derby. Right, now leaving Dennis's, we're going to take Alfie home. Shit. Hello. Bye. Bye. We're now still out, Dennis.
Yeah, can I have the
We've come somewhere
stack of
healthy.
meal, please?
I need to decide what I want because we're taking the orders now. Have a 3-piece meal, please.
3-piece meal, please.
99, please.
Thank you. Lovely. Lovely. Cheers, mate.
We've now come round to Pete's house to say hi. It's a really cool car.
Go.
Hello. Pete, stop following. See you later. Bye. We've now left Pete's. We're just going to head back to Deal, pick my car up, and I'll be coming home. So, till next time, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye.
She's gone.